In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Dota 2 not responding. Now what you want to do is you want to find Dota 2, right click, properties, install files and verify integrity of game files. After that, click on browse, go to game, bin, Windows 64 or 32, whichever one you have, find dota2.exe, right click, properties, compatibility, try and activate these two, apply an OK and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, try and activate this one and choose Windows 8 and see if it works after that. Now if it still doesn't work after you've done this, what you want to do is just come to this one again. You don't have to close it down. Press here, Control C, then come here and search for firewall. Open it up, allow an app, change settings, allow another app, browse, come up here, Control V and press enter. In here select dota2.exe and add it. Now I already have it added right here. And what you want to do is you want to check all three of these. So once you've done that, you can just OK and then you can close it down. Now try and launch it and see if it works now. If it's still not working, what I suggest you do is you update your graphics card. So come here and search for device manager. In here find display adapters, right click, update the driver and search automatically. After that, you want to make sure that you have the software installed to your driver. So Google the name here. You probably have a different name than me, but Google the name that you have and type software after that. And for me, it's going to be the NVIDIA software. So just download your software, open it, and then find in your software where you can download the latest driver. Once you've done that, try and restart your PC, and then it should hopefully work. Now, a last resort that we also can try is open up our task manager. Go to details, find our Dota, so sort by name and press D. Look for Dota, end task on Dota, and then try and relaunch it if you already had it opened and you get the error. Now, if none of these work, what I suggest you do is just try and uninstall the game and then reinstall it, and that should hopefully work. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.